Hi, Chris again. Today I'm excited to show you a fiber optic feature within our ComBricks. As you know, fiber optic has become widely adopted within our industrial networks. This is due to immunity of EMCs such as high currents or a speed and distance requirements. It becomes essential to monitor these networks as they become part of our PROFIBUS infrastructure. With a fiber optic module, all we need to do is add this into our ComBricks set. Now that we have built a customized OLM to fit within our own application, this also gives us the added monitoring of our signal and can even give us some redundancy. Depending on your requirements, the correct fiber needs to be chosen. With ComBricks, we have three solutions for you. We have our standard fiber optic card, which is built to work with many different vendors' OLMs. So you can add this to your already existing fiber network. The second and third solution would be our single mode and multi-mode modules. These are also all plug and play with ring redundancy. Here I would like to just close off my ring. Now that we have closed the ring, we can see the LED for the channel 2 has turned on. So we know we have data exchange going within our ring. So now let's take a look what we see on the ComBricks platform. So now that we have accessed the ComBricks head station through our web browser, we start off at the home page. Here we see a general overview of our installed ComBricks. We can see the fiber optic card that we've just installed, and that is for multi-mode. We can also see that we have some devices on the other side. Now, let me show you how we can see the identification and maintenance data of this fiber optic card. All I need to do is come and click on the ComBricks status. Then we can click on the fiber optic ring module. And here we see identification information as well as our maintenance information. What's interesting about our maintenance information is that we can see that channel 1, channel 2, and the ring is okay. But if I break the ring, we get an instant failure and we can see where the ring is broken. What's interesting here is that we still have data exchange even though our cable has been broken. If I now fix the ring, we should see directly we get OK on channel 2 and the ring is now OK. We can change some of the configuration of what we would like to see when it comes to our signal by clicking here on fiber optic under configuration. And here we can just choose what events are going to trigger the alarm. So do you want it to be only on deterioration or any changes that may happen? And the same for the ring, only on the ring failure or all changes that happen within your ring. I hope this has been interesting for you. So if you would like to see all of our other features on ComBricks, please check out our YouTube playlist. Or if you would like to get in touch with us or learn more about the fiber optic options we have, please use the link in the description. Thank you and ciao for now.